AppSumo launched 6 new deals this week, so I'm going to explain what each tool does so you can decide whether or not it's useful for your business. Now, if you're looking for quality, highly vetted tools that I personally recommend, you'll want free access to my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs, Notion Doc. Now, I update this spreadsheet on a frequent basis, and you can grab this completely free by clicking the link down in the description below. Bestever is an AI tool that makes and analyzes ads using your ad account, okay? So it generates video and also static ads from product links. You can also manually create ads yourself. It starts by you building a storyboard. You can also incorporate AI actors, and it lets you edit with simple controls very similar to Canva. It also pulls in your ad and competitor data. It shows you what's working for them and for your ads, and then it creates new ad variations based on ad results. So you'll basically get more tested ideas faster with less manual work designing things yourself. Now, if you want to generate video with this tool, then you'll need to grab tier 2 or higher. Unfortunately, tier 1 doesn't allow you any credits for videos, so you'll only be able to create static images for tier 1. I recently recorded a full demo and review of this tool, so if you want to check that out, I'll include a link down in the description. Charla is a live chat, help desk, and AI chatbot tool for handling customer conversations on your website or apps. Now, this tool is feature packed. I've used this a few months ago, so you get chat widgets. It also comes in a mobile app. You also get a unified inbox for Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and email. It also has an AI chatbot trained on your content. There's also a knowledge base, chat flows to qualify leads, a help desk with tickets, and an insights dashboard. So this tool essentially helps you reply faster and keep more leads and customers. This is a more affordable tool as well. So you get all of the features, even with one code. It gives you 5 agents. Now, if you need more agents, then you can basically stack more codes if you wish. Current is a social intelligence tool that pulls real conversations from forums, social networks, and chats to help you see what users are talking about. It lets you search social chatter, monitor products and topics in real time, and get AI summaries with sentiment. You can run deep research reports, compare competitors, and get reply suggestions based on current trends. So this tool essentially helps you spot demand early from what people are talking about regarding your business and products, and then you can decide what to build next or improve for your business. Now, unfortunately, you are locked out of many of the powerful features in license tier 1, so I would suggest going for license tier 2. Unless you want the enterprise-grade AI analytics, then you'll need to get tier 3. Dialora is an AI voice agent that answers calls, calls back leads, and books appointments for you 24/7. It lets you train the agent on your business info, so it gives accurate answers and stays on brand by using your own language and also product verbiage. You can run outbound call campaigns, record calls, view analytics, and connect calendars and CRMs. So this tool essentially helps you stop missing leads and get more booked meetings to sell more of your products and services more quickly and easily. Some people might be perfectly fine with license tier 1. Now, if you need team collaboration, then you'll need to grab tier 2. If you want all of the features, you'll need to grab tier 3 or higher. Sync Signature is a tool that helps you make and manage email signatures for yourself and your team. So you pick a template, you add your info, logo, even a headshot, any links you want to share, and buttons on your signature, and then you can copy it to Gmail, Outlook, or download the HTML code. It also lets you roll out company-wide signatures through Google Workspace or Office 365 and see clicks with simple analytics. So this tool saves you tons of time and keeps everyone's emails looking consistent. Now, if you are going to use this tool maybe for yourself or upwards to just 10 people, license tier 1 would be sufficient, But if you want all of these additional features for you in a bigger team or a larger business, then you'll definitely need tier 2 or higher. And if you want the white labeling, then you would need to grab tier 6. So this white labeling feature is great for agencies. ThriveDesk is an AI-powered customer support platform that handles emails, chats, and tickets across your tools. It lets you train an AI agent on your docs, past conversations, PDFs, your web pages, snippets, and Notion to answer questions and suggest replies. You get a fast help desk with smart sorting, labels, shared notes, even multiple inboxes. There's also a help center, integrations like Slack, Gmail, Stripe, and follows best security practices. So this tool helps you reply faster and keep customers as happy as possible as they are using your service. I think the sweet spot would be licensed tier 2 because it unlocks automations and also the knowledge base. The embeddable help center looks pretty helpful as well, but then you would need to get licensed tier 4 for that.